Talk about being lucky. Look what happened to the street behind me. The whole street is blocked. So I have nothing to complain about. Take a look at the tree. Just took the tree down. My neighbor's in the back. Tree. Look at that. And it came all the way in the road, which is a good thing because if it went the other way, it would have took the whole house out. Look at that. Look at the tree. Size of it. Wow. Look at that. Where you people going? People still trying to drive down the street. Look at that, man. I'm shocked. So, I guess we got lucky. All I have was some plants that got damaged. Look at this right here. The poor car underneath it. But it's time to work on it because the church is right there and the lines for the church went down. This is the tropical storm that came up and it's passing through us now, heading further up north.